Hi guys, Retro Django here. Welcome back to another pinball show. Today we are going to take a look at the Jersey Jack Guns N' Roses limited edition. I just want to film this. I have showed you unpacking video and we have a lot of gameplay videos online, but we don't have no playfield protector installing video showing almost everything pulled off. As you can see, the protector has been installed, and these new sleeves here, plastic sleeves, the protector is big enough so you don't have to take them off. You know, some of these playfield have chipping issues, but yeah, so that's corrected over there. And if we just take a look just over the playfield here, oh, those lights in there, great stuff. This one connect to the pop bumper, really nice. Yeah, this is just how it looks, and I'm telling you, pictures are one thing, and videos, but real deal, the cabinet artwork on the limited edition is just mind-blowing, guys. Let's just take a look at the other side also. I mean, Jersey Jack, everything is just quality, man. Everything, it reminds me of, if we just take a look down here with end of stroke switches, the way everything is built, it's just Williams from the 90s, man. Top quality. Look at this. I mean, everything is just thought about. I love the build quality of these Jersey Jack machines. There's something else, man. Just wow, all day long. Yeah, Guns N' Roses limited edition. So I'm just gonna film while putting in the parts so we can see how it will end up, and maybe play a game or two. All right, talking about chipping off down here. Look at this piece of clear plastic. As you can see, I have installed over here. So if we just put this one on also. So what this little piece of plastic will do is actually, it will strengthen these two legs down here. When we have slingshot action, all the vibration will go down here and make it much more firm, and that way prevented it from chipping. You can also order this for your pinball machine, for your Guns N' Roses. It's just a must-have mod, guys. It looks nice, guys. Powerful old Williams style PSU. I love it. Look at the corner here, how you install the legs. Quality all the way. Let's just film this area for the last time before we install the playfield protector over here. As you can see, it is ready to be installed. Nice. The upper playfield has been installed with a real nice playfield protector over here. Real nice rams are in place, and look at this wide shot over here. Really nice shot. Also over here. Looks amazing, guys. Let's document the underside also. Connected over there. Just high quality build. Everything's just high quality. Great stuff, man. Of course, the LE model comes with a shaker motor. Bluetooth connector, big speaker, great stuff, guys. And she's ready. I mean, the light show in this pinball machine is like nothing else. I have never seen a pinball machine with better light show than this. And it doesn't blind me. It looks amazing. Now the playfield is protected and it's time for some gameplay. And we have to say goodbye because when I start the music, YouTube will be shutting down my video. So I want to say thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Man, it's amazing. God, I need to add something. I mean, the shots, gameplay, everything is just, it doesn't matter because it's just a rock concert show experience to play this game. I'm just blown away about it, man. It's such a different and amazing experience. Buy this game, guys. Just buy. Forget everything else.